Lesson: Collaborative techniques with stakeholders. Collaborative techniques with stakeholders are crucial in the domain of business analysis, particularly during the elicitation and collaboration phase of a project. Stakeholders, who are individuals or groups with vested interests in a project, bring diverse perspectives and expertise that can significantly influence the success of a business analysis endeavor. Engaging them effectively requires a strategic application of collaborative techniques, tools, and frameworks that ensure their insights are harnessed to meet business objectives. This lesson explores various actionable strategies, providing professionals with the necessary tools to enhance stakeholder collaboration and address real-world challenges effectively. A fundamental approach to fostering collaboration with stakeholders is through active listening and empathy. By prioritizing understanding stakeholder needs and concerns, business analysts can build trust and rapport, which are vital for effective collaboration. Active listening involves paying full attention, reflecting on what is being said, and providing feedback that shows comprehension. Empathy, on the other hand, requires analysts to place themselves in stakeholders' positions, understanding their motivations and constraints. Together, these techniques create an environment conducive to open communication where stakeholders feel valued and understood, facilitating more meaningful contributions to the project. One practical tool for enhancing collaboration is the Stakeholder Engagement Matrix. This framework helps analysts identify stakeholders, assess their influence and interest, and develop tailored engagement strategies. The matrix categorizes stakeholders into 4 groups: high influence, high interest, low interest, low influence, high interest, and low influence, low interest. By mapping stakeholders according to these criteria, business analysts can allocate appropriate resources and communication strategies to each group. For instance, stakeholders with high influence and interest require regular updates and involvement in decision-making processes, while those with low influence and interest might only need periodic updates to keep them informed. Workshops are another effective collaborative technique, providing a structured environment for stakeholders to contribute ideas and solutions. These interactive sessions can be designed to address specific project challenges, align on goals, or generate innovative solutions. To maximize the efficacy of workshops, analysts should employ facilitation techniques such as brainstorming, mind mapping, and the Delphi method. Brainstorming encourages free thinking and idea generation without immediate judgment, fostering creativity. Mind mapping visually organizes ideas, helping stakeholders see connections and prioritize concepts. The Delphi method, involving rounds of anonymous feedback, enables consensus building by refining ideas through iterative input from stakeholders. Case studies highlight the power of collaborative workshops. For example, a multinational corporation facing declining market share employed a series of stakeholder workshops to realign its product development strategy. By engaging key stakeholders from different departments and regions, the company was able to identify previously overlooked customer needs and market trends, leading to the successful launch of a new product line that revitalized its market position. This case underscores the importance of structured collaboration in uncovering insights that drive business success. In addition to workshops, technology plays a pivotal role in facilitating collaboration with stakeholders. Tools such as collaborative platforms and project management software allow for real-time communication and information sharing, breaking down geographical barriers and enabling seamless collaboration. Software like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Trello provide centralized hubs where stakeholders can access project documents, track progress, and participate in discussions. These platforms enhance transparency and accountability, ensuring that all stakeholders remain aligned and informed throughout the project lifecycle. Effective collaboration with stakeholders also requires addressing and managing conflicts, which are inevitable when diverse perspectives converge. Conflict resolution frameworks like the Thomas Kilmann Conflict Mode Instrument offer valuable insights into managing stakeholder disagreements. The TKI identifies 5 conflict handling styles: competing, collaborating, compromising, avoiding, and accommodating. By understanding these styles, business analysts can tailor their approach to conflict resolution, selecting the most appropriate style based on the situation and stakeholder dynamics. For instance, collaboration, which seeks win-win solutions, is particularly valuable in complex projects where stakeholder buy-in is critical. The importance of conflict resolution is illustrated in a project involving multiple government agencies working on a national infrastructure initiative. Disagreements over resource allocation and timelines threaten to derail the project. By applying the TKI framework, project leaders facilitated a series of collaborative meetings, encouraging stakeholders to voice their concerns and explore mutually beneficial solutions. This approach not only resolved conflicts, but also strengthened interagency relationships, contributing to the project's successful completion. Feedback loops are another essential component of stakeholder collaboration. Establishing mechanisms for continuous feedback ensures that stakeholder input is incorporated throughout the project, allowing for agile adjustments in response to changing needs or conditions. Techniques such as regular stakeholder surveys, feedback sessions, and iterative prototyping provide structured opportunities for stakeholders to share their perspectives and influence project outcomes. This iterative process enhances stakeholder engagement and fosters a sense of ownership as their input directly impacts project decisions. Prototyping, in particular, is a powerful tool for engaging stakeholders in the development process. By creating early versions of a product or solution, stakeholders can visualize and interact with the concept, providing valuable feedback that shapes its evolution. This approach is especially useful in software development projects, where iterative prototyping enables the development team to refine features and functionalities based on stakeholder input, ultimately delivering a product that better meets user needs. In conclusion, collaborative techniques with stakeholders are integral to the success of business analysis projects. By employing strategies such as active listening, stakeholder engagement matrices, workshops, technology platforms, conflict resolution frameworks, and feedback loops, business analysts can effectively harness stakeholder insights and expertise. These tools not only address real-world challenges, but also enhance the proficiency of professionals in fostering collaboration. Through structured engagement and continuous feedback, stakeholders become active partners in the project, contributing to outcomes that align with business objectives and deliver value. Real-world examples and case studies demonstrate the effectiveness of these techniques, providing a roadmap for professionals seeking to enhance their collaborative capabilities and drive project success.